How to redeem fetch rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To redeem fetch rewards, you have to first of all get the Fetch app on your device. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Fetch and install this app on your device. Once you have installed the app, log into your account. Then, in order to redeem a reward with Fetch, you want to tap your point balance in the top right corner of the screen to open the rewards page. Then select the reward you would like, then your desired value, and tap on Get My Reward option. At least 300 points are needed to redeem most reward. If this is your first reward, only $10, $25, or $50 rewards are available. After redeeming a reward, $3 and $5 options will unlock for future redemptions. Wait 27 hours for your reward to process. You will receive a notification when your reward is ready to use. Go to My Reward to access your reward. Follow vendor instructions to activate. You won't be able to use your reward until you complete this step. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.